How to change Spotify's playlist picture. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can change the playlist picture on Spotify. So without any further delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to change the playlist picture for Spotify, simply first of all, launch the Spotify app and make sure that you're signed into your account. Now from the bottom, go to the option called Your Library, and from your library, simply select the playlist for which you would like to change its picture for. When you've done that, you'll find various options including this little three dots icon right there. So tap on this little three dots icon and you can see various options. Go to the option Edit Playlist. Now when you do that Edit Playlist, you can only edit the playlist and the songs. So what we're going to do is tap the three dots again and you can see Name and Details. So tap on Name and Details, then tap on its picture. Then you can create a cover art or you can change the cover image by tapping on it, choosing a photo, one of which is from your gallery, then tap on Use Photo to change that particular Spotify's playlist picture to that photo. So this way you can change the playlist picture on Spotify. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.